Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use broadcast lists the right way on WhatsApp. To do that is really simple. You have just to go to WhatsApp. And to explain what is broadcast, so broadcasts is an option available on WhatsApp that give you the opportunity to send the same message to multiple persons. So to access to that option, you have to click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, go to broadcast messages. Of course, you should create a list of people to send them that broadcast. And another thing, the people that will receive your broadcast should save your phone number on their phones. So if someone is not saving your phone number on his phone, you can't use him or send a broadcast to him. Okay, so I have to create a list. And for the list, you have a limit of 256 persons that you can add for the broadcast. I will add like these two numbers. Okay, and after that we click create. So this is the list of the broadcast. It's ready. So I will send, for example, this message: welcome to my broadcast. Okay. And it's sent to those people. And this, what this will do, you will send this message was sent to those people. This message will directly go to your conversation with that person. So this is not a WhatsApp group. People will not know that they are together in a broadcast. Every one of them will receive this message in the conversation between you and them. Maybe this way can help you if you have some sort of invitations that you want to send and you don't want to go to send this invitation to people one by one. So you create a broadcast and send it to them all at once. That's it. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget also to like this video. And until the next video, goodbye.